Okay, so I have a question here under a Frustum, which I'm going to solve now. So it says the following diagram shows a Frustum of a cone. The radii of the circles at the top and bottom are 1.5 and 5 centimeters respectively. Its height is 7 centimeters, as you can see there. Calculate the volume of the Frustum. Take pi. So pi has been given to be 3.14. Before we go anywhere, how do we find this? Is coming from a cone, so let's write the complete cone. So a complete cone will look like this with a complete height. Okay, complete height. So for us to find the volume of the Frustum, we need to know the height of the full cone and the height of the smaller cone. So we have this smaller cone here, and so we have two cones from here. We have the smaller one and the bigger one. Just to sample it, we have a smaller cone, okay, with radius 1.5. Let me call this height x, with height x. All right. Then we also have a bigger one, okay, with radius 5, okay, and height is starting from there to there, which is x plus 7, with height x plus 7 centimeters. Now I need to find this height. How do I find this height? For me to find that height, I'll take this as similar figures. So I'll say this height corresponding to this height, this radius corresponds to this radius. So 1.5 centimeters corresponds to 5 centimeters, equal to this x corresponds to this height, x plus 7 centimeters. This is what I'm finding first. I need to find this height. So now I'll cross multiply, and this will be 1.5x plus, when I cross multiply, so 7 times 1.5, that will be 10.5, equal to 5x. I now have to collect the like terms. 1.5x, this will come the other side, this will be minus 5, equal to, this will go the other side, becomes negative 10.5. And this I'm going to remain with this, so 5 minus 1.5, and with negative 3.5x equal to negative 10.5. So I'll divide by negative 3.5, even here negative 3.5, sorry, negative 3.5. So x is equal to, when I cancel there, so I'm having 10.5 divided by 3.5, that is giving me 3 centimeters. So x is 3 centimeters. Therefore, here I'm having 3 centimeters, and here I'm having x plus this, so this one changes. Since it was x plus 7, it goes to 10 centimeters. Now I have everything. So volume of a Frustum is equal to volume of a bigger cone minus volume of a smaller cone. So volume of a cone is given by this. So volume of a bigger cone, this, minus volume of a smaller cone, like this. So if you don't mind, you can copy this in advance. I can eliminate this because I've already used it. Okay, we can now proceed. So volume is equal to 1 over 3. Pi is 3.142 times, so I'll say this, r squared. R for the bigger one is 5. So this will be 5 squared times height is 10. Remember we added 3 plus 7 minus 1 over 3, 3.142. R is 1.5, so 1.5 squared times height is 3. So volume is equal to, let me now multiply. Start with 5 squared, that's 25, times 10, times 3.142, divided by what? 3. So this is giving me 261.83 minus 1.5 times 1.5 is that, times 3, giving me that, times 3.142, divided by 3 is giving me 7.0695. Let me now subtract 261.83 minus 7.0695, and it's giving me the volume of the frustum to be 254.8. Remember mathematics to one decimal place. And this will give you the whole 6 marks. Remember.